What's good people, it's JayCactus back again with another drill tutorial, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a UK drill beat. I've been making a lot of Pop Smoke and Brooklyn drill beats recently, so I thought I'd bring it back home for this video. So I'm not going to waste any time, I'm just going to jump straight into it. Alright, so just to save some time for the video, I've chosen the instruments and sounds that I want to use. So I'm going to start with a piano from Expand 2, and I'm working in E minor. So right now I'm just drawing in some chords. Right, so I'm starting with a basic chord progression. Right, now I'm going to copy this across and then just change the counter melody a little bit in the second half, just for variation. In fact, I'll bring that back a bit and come up again. Maybe one more note here and then some bass notes. Alright, so I'm happy with that. I'm just going to randomize the velocity. Right about there. Then I've got half time on it. Sounds a lot better now. So it's kind of dark and sad, but it's a little bit melodic. Alright, so for the hi-hat, I'll start with a basic drill pattern, but I'm going to switch it up. So I'm thinking maybe something here. And then a quick way to split the notes or to get a roll is just to extend it and then Alt and U. Bring them down. Maybe some more here. And then I want a roll again here, but I want it to come up instead of down, so do the same again, maybe a bit lower, and then just copy that. You could switch it up in the second half if you wanted, just for variation. snare. Start off with standard pattern. I think I want to get one more in there, so like maybe here, but a bit lower. For the 808s, let's see what we can do. Maybe some slides here. I'll bring this one up. Maybe some more slides, but higher up. One here, maybe on G. Yeah, like that. And then definitely some slides here. Maybe 4 of them. Right, now I'm going to copy these across but change the end. So maybe bring these up an octave and then get 2 sides here instead of 1. Just something a little bit different. Alright, for the open hat, I'm just going to have short ones over here. But I'm going to pan these, so bring this one left, this one right, and then I might just copy that. Kick. I might record the kick in. Just find it a bit easier recording it and then just quantizing it after. Alright, so I've quantized these. We're just mixing the melody a little bit. I'm just taking out some lows around 200 hertz. Just makes it a bit cleaner. Alright, and then I also want to add this vocal chart from Arcade, but I'm going to pitch it up. So I'm only going to use use that for the hook, I think. And now I've used Little Boy to bring the pitch up a full octave, and then I just brought the formant down until it was something that I liked, and then just adjusted the mix level, and now it sounds like this. Added some reverb and delay too. So like I said, it would be too much to have all the way through the beat, but maybe just in the hook. Alright, so I'll quickly arrange this, mix it, and then I'll show you the outcome. Alright, so as you can see, everything's mixed and arranged. For this one, I didn't want this beat to be too complex, because I always, like in some of my beats, I keep adding instruments and sounds to it, and then by the end of it, there's too much on there for a rapper to jump on. So, especially with drill beats, you can keep them kind of simple. So, for this one, what I did was, in the intro, I kept the same piano, but I just took out some of the counter melodies, and then I added isotope vinyl. So, I've actually automated the amount of vinyl. So, if you see from here, in the intro, it's all the way down, and then when it drops, it comes back up. So, let me just play it. And then I found some sound effects on Splice, just some cries, so I felt like they fit here right. It's quite dark.
JayCactus.
Here, like usually you'll see in my drops, I'll just have the crash like right on the drop. But just to make it a bit more interesting, I just had the crash come in a little bit later, and the kick. So the kick doesn't even come in until here. Sounds a little bit more interesting. Obviously you can hear that the full melody is playing in the hook. And I've brought isotope vinyl all the way down again. And then I basically just repeated that, but switched off a couple of the cuts. So got verse 2, and then the hook again. And then for the outro, I've just got the piano playing by itself. And then I've reversed the crash to create a riser. And then that's dropping into everything again. And then that's just gradually fading out. Real simple beat. So this just fades out now. So as I said, it was just a simple drill beat today. I've been making a lot of crazy like 808 New York drill type beats recently, so I wanted to bring it back home, just make a simple drill beat and show you how easy it can be. So I hope you took something from the video. If you liked it, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.